This assessment asks us to predict the structure and molecular formula for the base peak fragment at 45 AMU. This structure can undergo two fragmentations. The first would be to fragment off the methyl group to form a carbocation next to the oxygen. This could undergo another fragmentation to form an alcohol carbocation and an alkene. The alkene is neutral and would not be detected. The carbocation has a resonance contributor that would be stabilized by resonance. And this resonance series has a molecular formula of C2H5O and has an atomic mass of 45 AMU. This carbocation is the fragment that's likely responsible for the base peak at 45 AMU.